Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The topic of today is mother. How to say my mother, your mother, their mother in Dinka language. So, watch the video till the end so that you can learn this important Dinka lesson. So, let us begin from number one. Number one, ma, my mother, 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 our mother. Markwa, our mothers. More, more, your mother, your mother. Man, man, is or her mother. Manden, their mother. Marken, their mothers. Markun, your mothers. Madit, my grandmother. The term word ma did mean my grandmother. Ma alone mean mother. Then when you add did mean grandmother. Ma did mean big or grand. That is why it is called Madit, my grandmother. Manya, you can also say Mantiang dia, Manya or Mantiang dia mean my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law mean Manya or Mantiang dia. Man itiang du mean your mother-in-law. Madid achidiop, my grandmother is old. My grandma is old. Madid achidiop. Diop mean old. You are old. You are not young again. So in chidiop. Ma achol a book. Ma achol a book. My mother is called a book. My mother is called a book. A book is a Dinka name. Ma adeng apay. Ma adeng apay. My mother is very beautiful. Or my mom is very beautiful. Ma adeng apay. Adeng mean beautiful. Apay mean very beautiful. That's why it is called my mother is very beautiful. Ma adeng apay. Ma abar. My mother or my mom is tall. Bear mean tall. More a chick. Your mom or your mother is short. Or your mom is short. Short in Dinka is called chick or a chick. A chick mean is short. Ma enyan imonjang. Which mean my mother is from Jing or Dinka. My mother is from Jing or Dinka tribe. Ma enyan Monjang. Monjang mean Jing or Dinka. More enyan Inuer. More enyan Inuer. Nat. More enyan Inat. More enyan Inuer mean the same. Which mean your mother is from Nuer or from Nat. This is N. Yes, your mother is from Nuer or from Nat. Nat and Nuer the same name, like Jeng, Dinka. So you can call them Nuer or you can say Nat. So it's the same thing. So don't mean different. Mandin enyan chuluk. Mandin enyan chiluk. Mandin enyan chiluk mean their mother is from Chiluk. Their mother is from Chiluk. Mandin enyan Chiluk. Their mother is from Chiluk. Chiluk is also one of the tribe in South Sudan, like Nuer, like Dinka, Mundari, all this. So there are 64 tribes in South Sudan. So one day I will make video about that. Markwa Anyir Junub Sudan. Markwa Anyir Junub Sudan. Markwa Anyir Junub Sudan. Simply mean our mothers are South Sudanese. Our mothers are South Sudanese, or you can say our mothers are South Sudanese ladies. Yes. Markwa Anyir Junub Sudan. Our mothers are South Sudanese. Markwa Anyar Ok. Markwa Anyar Ok. Our mothers love us. Our mothers love us. In Dinka, Markwa Anyar Ok. Ok mean us. Nyar mean to love or to like. Markwa Anyar Ok. Our mothers love us. Mama dia enyan awil twing. Mama dia enyan awil twing. Mama dia enyan awil twing mean my mother is from Awil West. My mother is from Awil West. Awil West is one of the county in northern Barakazal state, Awil. So there are 5 or more counties in Awil. So Awil West, Awil North, Awil South, etc. Ma Ekai. Ma Ekai mean mom or mother is the firstborn. My mother is the firstborn. Ma Ekai. Kai. Kai. Kai mean firstborn. Firstborn. Kai. More Ekun. More Ekun. Which mean your mom is the last born. Your mom is the last born. Last born mean kun. Kun. Kun mean last born. Kai. Kai mean firstborn. So that is the difference. Tik. Tik. How do you translate tik in English? So right here, let me know. Tik. Number 23. Diar. Diar or dior. Diar or dior. How do you call them in English? Please write it. I want to know also. Yenakan. Yenakan mean the end. By William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Welka Bay Ran Chol William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pyo Tong Jang or Tong Jeng. Nyalik Kawek. Please watch the video, share the video to your loved ones so that we can learn Dinka language together. So this is the end of our video, and we are in TikTok. So the name of TikTok is called Learn Dinka with Majak. We are also in Facebook. We have Facebook page which is written Dinka Awil Dialogue. So go there, follow us there, and also get our videos or some screenshot there. So this is the end. Dornalikawek Kuyania. God bless you all. Bye bye. Thank you very much.